Hi, so we're looking at logic sums based on input output. So input is given and in the machine it goes through certain number of steps to give a final output. First, let's try to understand how the output is. If you look at the numbers, they arrange in ascending order. Same way words in ascending order when you go from center to outside. Now let's look at input to step one. The smallest number has come to the left and smallest A alphabet has come to the word has come to the right in alphabetical order. Next smallest number, next smallest letter, and so on. So you can make out that every step, one number and one word are arranged in the proper order. Now, there are two ways of doing this. One is you actually write down all these steps and then try to get the answer. So, in which case, you keep on writing all steps to make out. Or there's also a step directly where you don't have to write on everything. You just try to make out in which step what will be arranged. Since numbers are arranged in ascending order, so 14 will be arranged in the first step because smallest number. 27 in the second step, 32 in the third step, 51 in the fourth step, 68 in the fifth step, 84 in the sixth step, and 92 in the seventh step. Same with words. Since B is the smallest word, 1, feet is second, ink is third, not is fourth. S sit will be 5, 6 V, and 7 Y. This is how it will be arranged. So I've just numbered in terms of the way it's arranged. Which step number is the following output? The smallest three numbers will be on the left, which is first, second, third. If you look at number 14, 27, and 32. Smallest three words will be arranged to right in three steps. I mean, there's third step which is there. So if you look at best should be first, but here feet is first, not best. So there is no such step because in this step, best should be coming before feet, but that's not the case in this case. So answer will be no such step. Which word number would be at the fifth position from the right in step 5? So step 5, look, remember first step, the smallest number in the left and smallest word in the right. Second step, they go in the second from the right and second from the left and second from the right. Third step will be third from the left and third from the right, so on. So in fifth step, the smallest word will be fifth from the right, which is best. In the fifth step, the smallest word will be fifth from the right. You can directly mark best. How many elements are there between feet and 32 as they appear in the last step of the output? Now feet is the second word. So it will be first word which will be out here. 32 if you look at is the third number. So it will be second number and the first number which will be before that. So if you look at the three elements between feet and 32. So second option. Which of the following represents the position of y in the fourth step? Now y will be only arranged in the seventh step. So in the fourth step, on the left of y, it is 84 and y. But on the left of y, there are four more numbers which will be arranged. So y will be 6 from the left. Four numbers will be arranged in four steps. So y will be basically 6 from the left. So with that, you get the complete answer. So a lot of times you don't have to write all the steps because writing the steps takes a lot of time. And a lot of times in the input output, you can directly get the answer based on just numbering or with some specific techniques which are there, which is important, right? So know the techniques. The moment you know the techniques, you'll be able to do things faster. I hope this is clear. Thank you.